Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to visit Obama City in the southern part of Fukui to discover two of the prefecture's traditional crafts. Fukui is known as an artisan hub, with 7 traditional crafts that have been produced in the area for hundreds, sometimes even thousands of years. We already introduced some of these traditional crafts, as well as other traditional industries Fukui is renowned for, in previous videos, so go check them out. 5 of these crafts are concentrated in the Tannan area, around Sabae and Echizen City. So today, I wanted to introduce the 2 traditional crafts that take their roots in Wakasa, in the southern part of Fukui Prefecture. To learn about these 2 crafts, we traveled to Obama City in the Wakasa area. Famous for its delicious seafood, the Wakasa area was known as one of the 3 food provinces, or Miketsukuni, that provided the capital of Kyoto with sea products during ancient times. This close connection with the old capital can still be felt today in Obama City, be it through its preserved historical district, its ancient temples and traditional ceremonies, or by walking the Mackerel Road, following the path of the merchants that brought seafood from Wakasa to Kyoto. Beautiful sea, deep history, and delicious cuisine, Obama City is an absolute gem to discover during your trips to Japan. The first craft we'll talk about today are Wakasa Lacquered Chopsticks. Wakasa Lacquered Chopsticks have been produced in Obama City for over 400 years. Nowadays, it is said that Obama-made chopsticks account for about 80% of Japan's lacquered chopsticks production. You will find several factories with on-site shops across Obama City. Some even offer lacquered chopsticks workshops so that you can make your own chopsticks. Watch me try! While nowadays many different designs exist, traditionally, Wakasa lacquered chopsticks are coated in many layers of lacquer and inlaid with several decorative materials like seashells, gold leaves, pine tree needles, or even eggshells. The layers of lacquer are then carefully polished off to reveal the decorative elements like embedded gemstones. Chopsticks are the main medium this lacquer technique is applied to, but there are other objects like jewelry boxes, hairpins, or plates that are produced this way. And the second craft we'll talk about today is the rarest among the 7. While agate gemstones have been appreciated in Japan since ancient times, Wakasa Agate Crafts started approximately 270 years ago during the Edo period, with the production of agate beads using stones mined in Hokkaido. Recognized as Japan's first gemstone craft, Wakasa Agate Crafts evolved from beads to the creation of utensils, jewelry, and ornaments like small animal sculptures and sake glasses. In 1976, Wakasa Agate Crafts were registered as a Japanese traditional craft. While agate stones come in a variety of colors, the artisans of Obama carefully heat them up to give them a reddish hue and enhance their natural transparency. You can find some Wakasa Agate Craft souvenirs in a few select shops in Obama, and you can also make your own agate accessory at the Wakasa Kobo on the 2nd floor of the Miketsukuni Wakasa Obama Food Culture Museum. Under the supervision of the staff, you can either polish a small stone or engrave one with the design of your choice to make a keychain. So today we were able to meet Mr. Uenishi-san, who's an agate craftsman, during our workshop at the Food Museum. And so we're taking this opportunity to ask him a few questions about his work. So, Mr. Uenishi, first, can you explain to us why did you choose to become an agate craftsman?
最初のきっかけはね、僕ちょっとねここ体験施設だったんですけど、ここで、ね、インストラクターというか皆さんのお客さんに体験を説明する仕事に就いたんですね。
本当ですか？
はい、その時にだからその時まだね私の師匠もいたんですけど、よくこういうところで実践してたので、実際も私もこう触ってやってみたらねお客さんに説明するの分かりやすいんじゃないかなと思って、ちょっと師匠に習ってやり始めたのがきっかけですね。だから使用を始めてからまだ13、独立しても13年ぐらいですね。
13年ぐらいですね。
はい。
So, could you explain us the creation process of an agate, Wakasa Agate Crafts?
まあね、どうしても原石なんでね硬いんで削るのも時間かかるんですけど、ちょっとこういうありますがこういう研磨剤で砂かけながら石を削っていって、最後は磨きの作業をかけてそこまで時間をかけて完成してますね。はい。
And so, what are traditional creations of Wakasa Agate Crafts, and what creations are more popular nowadays?
はい、それからね、若さの方ね、彫刻技法って言って、どちらかというと置物ですね、まあ、オブジェ、そういうのを作ってたんですね。よくだから動物の鶏とかそういう置物を作ってたんですけど、ちょっと今ね、そういう置物需要がなくなってきたんで、まあ、どっちかというとアクセサリーとかね、そちらの、小物系に変わってきてますね。
例えば耳飾りか指輪。
そうですね、そういうのですね。はい。
I've heard like many of the traditional crafts in Japan, Wakasa Agate Crafts face the challenge of the lack of a new generation to pursue this tradition. How do you perceive the future of Wakasa Agate Crafts?
やっぱりね、昔の人は結構ね、彫刻的に素晴らしいものを作っていますので、まあ、それを見てもらう機会も増やしてもらって、実際私もね、そういうのをまた作り出してね、皆さんに知ってもらう機会を作れてたらなと思いますね。
If you had one thing to tell people from overseas, what would it be?
はい。でせっかくね若さのこの地方でこういう技術が伝わってきてましたので、また皆さんに知ってもらうようにね、そういう見てもらう機会を増やしてもらったらいいなと思いますね。
ありがとうございます。
はい。
And that's it for today. Please note that the 7 crafts Fukui is famous for are not the only traditional crafts of the region. For example, lacquered daruma dolls and wakasa washi paper are also still produced in Obama to this day. Discover more about Fukui's traditional crafts and industries in many of our previous videos. And thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more about Fukui Prefecture's many wonders, follow us at Experience Fukui on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Bye!